To other news now, the Jamaica Hotel and Tourist Association is reporting an increase in bookings in St. Anne for the weekend ahead of the staging of Reggae Sumfest. And as you'll hear in this report, business operators are also excited about the economic activity it will bring to the parish.
All eyes are on the 2026 staging of Reggae Sumfest. The promoters are making their final preparations for the influx of people expected to converge in the area. So too, business operators and hoteliers.
All the supermarket, all the wholesales, a little place like mine, like the pudding shop, we're going to be always busy. Like I said, we're going to be opening early Sunday morning to accommodate the people that's coming in. And everybody know that my food is affordable. So I'm looking forward to see all my good customers.
Oh yes, everybody will be benefiting from them. Everybody, as far as I know, everybody's full.
TVJ News understands that most large hotels, villas and Airbnbs are reporting full occupancy, a development which President of the St. Anne chapter of the Jamaica Hotel and Tourist Association, Vanna Taylor, welcomes.
But it drives not only tourism and the accommodation sector, but it drives all businesses. So it can only be a win-win situation for all of us once we have more events. I want to say thanks to all the events, the planners, all the event promoters for coming into our area. We think we have the best product, so come and use it.
The government has also taken note of the economic boom slated for the parish this weekend. State Minister in the Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce, Delano Seavright, says MSMEs would be among the biggest winners.
As many entrepreneurs, for many entrepreneurs, events like Sumfest provide a vital boost in sales, and it helps to sustain and grow their businesses. So it is exactly the kind of economic activity we want to encourage, where in essence, tourism, entertainment, local enterprises all work together to create jobs, generate income, and spread opportunities throughout the economy, not just of St. Anne, but the wider Jamaica. Of course, we commend Joe Bogdanovich and the Dancehall Entertainment team and the entire Reggae Sumfest team for their continued investment and vision.
In the meantime, Mayor of St. Anne's Bay, Michael Belnavis, is encouraging more promoters to consider Plantation Cove in St. Anne for future large-scale events.
So the entertainment zone is in place, and that means that the noise abatement act won't apply. And of course, the fact that it's an entertainment zone means that it's conducive for solid entertainment. So all those issues associated with having parties and the noise and the inconvenience and so on, that has been eliminated.